Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Welcome back Sandy Home Recipe. Today, you can show me video. Remember, rate subscribe. Recipe be homemade ketchup. Start with tomatoes. Ma room make you try be sinche. All the oil a good saucepan is sumo. All ingredients are written in the description box below. What the chop onion a gum no watch mo kakra. Where your apple na me tree no, wo de besi enchen. Uwie a tomatoes na ohwehwe si wo no, wahwie de egu na de pepper ba akwaye de atom. Ba wo mpa wo mfa nka ho. Waje susu ama na hu. Ba wo ho a ese unu mu. Uwie na wo de apple na wo twie no egu mu. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. O the bay leaf aka ho. Vinegar aka ho. Me use 1 tablespoon vinegar. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Black pepper. What the salt kakra ho. Groves. One mixing there together. We are now the tomato paste kakra so the aka ho. What German susu kakra. I am ready no. Now where ye leave near the every mu. And sana wakwa blend it. O blendi wepe na wasone so. Na wasada kosi jar so anu mu kakra. Se reduce kakra pe. Na watwe. Na wamanajo. Ansa na wa store ewo wo container mu. Eti ha no aye ready. If what you see the kai a ohwe me video a, remember rate subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa like. No me notification bell no. Send me the video bia beto wa sabeka. Now this our homemade ketchup. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.